Crispy crust, bubbling cheese, and fresh basil on iron skillet. A perfect margherita pizza. These are the ingredients. Take hot water into a bowl. Add yeast, brown sugar. Mix it a little, then let it rest to start the fermentation process. Then add salt, some olive oil and mix it. Add flour by measuring. Mix until everything gets combined. Take flour into your hands and knead it until becomes a nice ball. Remove the excess flour, then rub some olive oil into a bowl. Cover and let it sit inside for 1 hour to rise. While it rises, make the sauce with peeled tomatoes. Add 1 chopped garlic, some brown sugar, oregano, olive oil, fresh basil for fragrance. Crush them with your hands and do not use any blender. Remove the lid. Look, it has gotten doubled in size. Spread flour in the surface. Knead it little more until hooks back. Form ball again and let it rest for another half hour. Preheat your oven at highest. Take the dough out. Cut it half. Warm up a cast iron pan. Spread some olive oil. Stretch the dough into round shape and plop it in the pan. Take into medium heat. After some time, add good amount of that tomato sauce. Adding sliced cheese. Bake into the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Take it out and top it with spinach. Also drizzle some olive oil. Into the oven for another minutes. Take out and start removing it. Form the sides. Transfer it on a cooling rack to cool down for some time. Then finally cut it as you like. Look at that crust, pure perfection. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe.